Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the drawing and attributes so the schedule will be accurate. Open your plan in Autocad and make sure doors and windows are blocks with attributes for width, height, and type. This is crucial. Once done, organize layers and apply consistent naming conventions so selection is simple. Make a selection set or use layer filters to isolate all door and window blocks. This prevents missed items later. You'll save time and avoid mismatched data when exporting to a table. You then extract the block attributes into a schedule using the data extraction wizard. Start a new extraction, select the drawing, and choose your selection set or layers. Map each block attribute to a column, width, height, tag, and any remarks. Once done, preview the table, adjust column order and format units so numbers read consistently. Make sure to filter out non-relevant blocks and rename columns for clarity. This is where accuracy in attribute naming really pays off. You finish by placing and formatting the schedule in your layout. Insert the generated table, pick a table style, set text height and column widths, align it to the sheet scale. If you prefer dynamic updates, link the extraction to an external. XLSX and refresh when the drawing changes. Once done, double-check totals and sort order. If things go wrong, make sure attribute tags match exactly and that layers aren't frozen or off. Inconsistent tags are the most common cause of missing rows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.